After accessing the PowerAdSpy dashboard, locate the native icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to explore the most recent native ads. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar, where you can explore ads using three powerful options: search by domain, advertiser, or keyword. Just below that, you'll find the search by option, which allows you to filter ads based on elements such as text and image, brand and image, object and image, or even celebrity and image. Next to this is the filter option, which enables you to refine ads by country, ad type, network, and language. Now, let's move to the Lander Properties section, where you can further refine your search by affiliate network, e-commerce platform, funnel, marketing platform, or source. Let's select the filter for network and choose AdBlade as an example. After applying this filter, all ads from AdBlade will appear on your screen. Now, let's go one step further by using the ad type filter and selecting image. Once selected, you'll see all the image-based ads from AdBlade. To get more detailed information about an ad, click on the Show Analytics option for any specific ad. The Analytics window will display insights such as the ad's first seen, last seen, post date, days running, and domain registration date. You'll also see the daily activity of the ad. And if you scroll down, you can find the targeted countries for your selected ads.